All right, in this section, we're going to create our very first Procreate canvas, and we're going to actually start painting on that canvas. Before we get going, let's take a look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen. We have some different options right next to the word select. If I tap on the word import, what that's going to do is it's going to allow me to import a file. Now, this screen looks a little bit familiar from the last section when I opened my iCloud Drive. So if I save any files on my iCloud or my Dropbox, I can open them directly into Procreate right from here. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel because I don't need to do that. The other thing I can do is I can grab one of my photos. If I want to do a little bit of photo editing, I tap on photos. This is going to access my photos that are actually on my iPad itself. I don't want to do that today, but if you ever do, you can do that very easily. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel. What I want to take a look at is that plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that, and I have a lot of options here. The very first one at the very top is the screen size. So if I just want to draw at the size of my iPad, my basic canvas, that's what I tap on. That's what I do for most of my new drawings. It also remembers a lot of your former sizes that you use. It has some popular sizes like a perfect square, 4K, a size, an A4 piece of paper, a 4x6 photo. It also remembers all these other sizes you see here are things that it remembers that I have used in the past. I'm going to look at the very bottom. It says create custom size. I'm going to go ahead and tap on that because you can create your own custom size from here. I can just type in whatever I want. Down here, it shows you that you can use millimeters. I'll tap on that. You can use centimeters. You can use inches. You could use pixels. So it gives you a lot of flexibility when you're creating your canvas. Another thing I want to draw your attention to is right above the number pad. It's kind of small. It says maximum layers 18. One of the things that Procreate does dynamically is it figures out how big your canvas can be so that you have enough memory to use Procreate efficiently so it's not slowing down and getting laggy. So right now my canvas is really big, 4,500 pixels by 5,400 pixels. If I wanted that to be smaller, maybe I'd say backspace and I'd say make this 3,000 pixels. Look what happened to my maximum layers. As I shrunk down the size of my canvas, the number of maximum layers I have has gone up. So if you know that you're going to need a lot of layers for your canvas, that's something you want to keep in mind. Procreate is pretty efficient. Like I said, 4,500 by 5,400 is actually, I think, 15 inches by 18 inches. That's a pretty good size document. I had 18 layers. So Procreate can do some pretty large size files. If at any point I don't want to make a custom canvas, I can tap anywhere in a blank space and it's just going to take me back to my main page. And from here, I think I just want to start a basic canvas. So why don't we do that? Go ahead and tap on the very top where it says screen size, and what that's going to do is it's going to create a brand new canvas for us, and it has taken us right here, our main drawing screen.